warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm going to be baking a really special cake. Yes, I'm baking a special cake for a special one. That's my little one. His name is Praveen Nair. So we are doing a special surprise birthday cake. So today we're going to be doing a keto vanilla cream cheese cake. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Here I have 6 whole eggs. Second, I'm going to be using Serapheena Keto cake mix, that's vanilla flavor, 120 grams of butter. So in a mixing bowl, first I've taken 6 eggs. I'm going to beat them really well. Now to this I'm going to add the almond flour cake mix what I have. So it mentions almond vanilla cake mix. So I'm taking 2 packets of the same. It's packet 1. Emptied it. So I'm taking 240 grams of cake mix. And there you go. And mix this well so that no lumps are formed. And to this I'm going to add my 120 grams of butter and give it a nice whip. So you see there are no lumps here. And now we're just going to take a baking dish, grease it and put the mixture on it, and it's ready. And I'm going to put some coconut oil, that's about 1 tablespoon of the same, and I'm going to grease this well. So I'm using a parchment paper. You can do without a parchment paper also, but I prefer using one. It's pretty easy with the parchment paper. There you go. Okay, and now our batter is ready to be poured. And our batter is ready. And now we're going to bake the same at 180 degrees Celsius for the next 20 to 25 minutes. Hi guys, so now we're going to be doing the topping of the cake. So for that, here I have 200 grams of cream cheese and I have 200 grams of fresh cream. To that I'm going to add the chocolate powder. That's the Keto Fuel drinking chocolate powder. I'm going to add 2 whole sachets of the same. This is optional. You can also put only stevia if you don't want a slight chocolatey taste. And now we're going to use a hand blender. And our cake is ready. It looks amazing. Cut this into half and I'm going to put it over the other plate. So I have 2 layers. And now I'm going to add the cream cheese what we already made in the center of our cake. There you go. And using a spatula, just layer it nicely. There you go. And now I'm going to add a layer on top of our cake. And this layer of cake goes on the below layer what we have. That's here. And now I'm going to add some dressing over it. And now refrigerate the cake for about 2 to 3 hours before serving it. So our keto vanilla cream cheesecake is ready. It's a surprise birthday cake for Kian. So we're going to see how Kian likes the cake. Lastly, let me tell you, the cake includes great amount of nutrition because it has cream cheese, it's made of almond flour. That means it's guilt-free. We have used as less preservatives as we can. Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please subscribe our channel, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all our videos. We do lots and lots of videos on training, nutrition and Maahek Pilates. Lots and lots and lots of love for supporting the family. Thank you so much, guys.